Okay, we know that the prices of food are going up, 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 and up, right? I went to the store today to get a nice loaf of organic bread because every once in a while I like to have a sandwich and I like it on really good bread. It was $6.50. So I changed the brand that I usually use and it was like $4.89. Still expensive, right? I get up to the cash register and the price was the wrong price. So guess what? I got it for free and I was feeling some kind of good. I went in there, the store that is, to pick up some grapeseed oil so that I can make some mayo. Because again, if I'm going to have a sandwich, I'm going to have some good bread and I'm going to have some good old mayo, right? Vegan style. So here's the recipe for you, all right? You take 1 can of aquafaba, and aquafaba is the liquid that is inside a can of chickpeas. All right, I happened to use chickpeas for a recipe last week, so I had some leftover aquafaba. Do not throw the aquafaba down the drain when you use your can of chickpeas. Simply put it in a mason jar, and when you're ready for your mayo, pull it out. 1 can will give you what you need for this recipe, which is about 3/4 cup of aquafaba, and you're going to use 1 3/4 cup of grapeseed oil. I like grapeseed oil because it's very healthy and very good for you. Half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of coconut sugar, a pinch of sriracha, hot sauce, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and let me see what else you'll need. About a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and that's pretty much it. When you open the can of chickpeas, take 1 tablespoon and reserve it inside of the aquafaba. All right, and so you're going to have the juice and you're going to have about a tablespoon of the chickpeas. Take everything and put it inside of your high-speed blender. As you may or may not know, I have a Vitamix. The only thing you're going to hold back is the oil. Do not put the oil inside of the blender. Just throw all of the other ingredients in, turn it on high for a couple of seconds, and then turn it down to about 5 and start opening the top of the blender. Stream in your oil and you're going to love this. It's going to be thick and fluffy, and I happen to just finish up a jar of Vigenase with grapeseed oil that I purchased from the store, but again, so pricey, I can make it at home in less than a minute. So I actually store my homemade mayo in that jar, which you can do too. All right, hope you enjoy it. Blessings.